Hello guys, it's Enzo here. Today I'm going to be talking about my dogs. Start with, I've got one laying right next to me. I was getting up now. I need to sign back now. This is Bear. He's a black Belgian Malinois. He's a rescue from Cyprus. Both my dogs are rescues. They're rescued from Cyprus from a site called Pets to Adopt. Bear was found off a military camp in Cyprus. Well, it is, he was left there in a trash can for dead. And we spotted him on Pets to Adopt and we just fell in love with him. Bear's one of a kind. But obviously he's lying down at the side. I would show you him, but he's lying down actually. If I can get him to, there he is, right there. So that's Bear. Enzo's right here. So this is Enzo. He's a lurcher mix. What he's a mix of, we don't know, but all we know that he is a lurcher. Apparently, I need a shower. But he's a rescue from Cyprus. He was found in an airport actually over in Cyprus. So basically, I'm gonna say this to all YouTubers. They are both boys, and not one's girl or anything, but they are both boys. But obviously, there's Enzo. But obviously, I'm trying to do a video here, guys, and I can't have you interrupting. This is what I have to put up with every single day. Every time I try and do a video, these guys, because obviously you guys have seen my music videos. That's what I do with these dogs. I turn them into music videos, and literally it's fun, but it's also a pain in the ass because we've got to put up with these two idiots right here. So that's a little bit about my dogs. Obviously, I will be bringing some more dog videos, but if you do, please watch this. But come and say hello to the camera. Come on. Not you. This is what happens when you got to put up with someone. I got to put up with two Muppets. Alright, this is Bear and Enzo. I really hope you guys do see this vlog. Obviously it gives you a little bit background detail of my dogs, but hopefully I will see you on the next vlog. I'm coming up to 100 subscribers actually, so please don't dominate him, get off him. So please keep on subscribing, and on the 5th of November is bonfire night, so if I reach 100 subscribers by then, I'll be putting on one hell of a fireworks show. This is Ben Enzo. I'll see you on the next vlog. See you later.